Why do we automatically say bless you every time someone sneezes? The real reason is darker than you think. In ancient times, people believed that when you sneeze, your soul temporarily leaves your body. Saying bless you was supposed to protect you from evil spirits rushing in. Later, in the year 590 AD, during a deadly plague, Pope Gregory the Great ordered everyone to say God bless you because sneezing was the first symptom of the plague. Some cultures also believed your heart stops for a split second when you sneeze. So bless you was said to bring you back to life. Next time someone sneezes near you, you're actually protecting them from evil spirits in the plague? Mind blown. Like plus, subscribe to Factopia for more surprising facts.